Hey YouTube, it's your girl Loaferette and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I accidentally filmed in a way. Well, I was doing TikTok and I was doing about 4 looks for Dark Horse. I'm not sure if you guys know that particular reference or in TikTok. I was doing like 4 different looks with some clip-ins that I used, and I decided, you know what, it'll be great for YouTube, so I went ahead and filmed it as well. So here we have this video. The clip-ins that I'm using is from To All My Black Girls. Absolutely love these clip-ins. I do have a couple videos on my channel with me using these clip-ins. They're amazing. They have clip-ins that range from straight hair, natural hair clip-ins to curly, or like they have all the ranges. You can go ahead and check them out. I'll also link them down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it, and guys, I filmed it in like, I don't know, 2 days. So if you want to see my TikTok videos using clip-ins from To All My Black Girls, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. All right, let's get to the videos.
For all the hairstyles we're going to be doing today, we're going to be using the Kinky Course clip-ins in 22 inches. All right, y'all, so this is going to be the easiest of all 4 styles. Also, I've decided to break these up into 4 separate videos because when I started to edit, it was getting too long. So I'm not going to space them out too far. But yeah, I decided to kind of, space these out and separate them. Here, I'm just parting my hair. My hair is in an old twist out. And for the first clip, I'm going to be using this one, which just has 3 clips. It's one of the shorter ones, and just put it all over my hair. There's no real rhyme or reason how I go about putting these in. I'm just parting it where my fingers feel like it feels good, and then putting in the clips. I'm just going to take my time, go through, part out the old twist out, and kind of treat it like a jigsaw puzzle. You'd have seen me do a style like this previously, but this is, me doing it quicker and knowing exactly what I'm doing. But yeah, you have to kind of measure out where you're going to put the clips, which ones you're going to use. For here, because I'm a little bit higher up, I have more more space. I'm going to be using the 5 clips and just pinning that throughout my hair. I'm going to part again, and don't worry about not being able to kind of match the clips to each part. You can always put half of a clip on one side of the part and then another half, and then you can stagger them. You can actually double up on clips to make it a lot more fuller. Just kind of play with it, see how comfortable you are, and also to try your best not to clip your hair too tight. I've done that quite often and it was very difficult for me to sleep. So just loosen it out. It doesn't, like, honestly, when it comes to clip-ins, they do not have to be perfect at all, and that's what I love about them. So here you'll see that I'm clipping, I think this is the 5 bits, but because I'm at front part of my hair, I'm just gonna clip it where I can, and then that bit that doesn't have a clip, I'm gonna go and use either a 2 clip one or a 3 clip one. I can't remember. I think it's a 2 clip, and just kind of stagger it in a bit. It doesn't matter if you have to overlap the clip-ins, guys. Don't even make this a big deal. It's really easy. But as you can see, my hair is getting fuller and fuller. I just absolutely love it. I don't think I'm going back to my, to only my hair again. I'm joking, but you guys know what I mean. So now that I'm getting to the front, again, it's simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and just clip and clip and clip until I feel like everything's coming together. So when I got to the front, I was kind of thinking maybe I should do a center part, perhaps. And I was like, nah, side parts all the way. Don't get me wrong, I've tried my fair share of center parts. I just don't like how it frames my face at all. So, the girl's gonna clip this clip in and then swoop down one side on the other side. But yeah, I'm just here kind of fluffing it out, making sure that everything is where it should be. I really should have cut the clip-ins, at least the ends, to kind of match my hair length. However, I wasn't sure if the clips that I cut would be matched to the same spot on my head. So I did. Alright y'all, so this is the final result. As you guys can see, my hair is a lot fuller than when we started. Absolutely love these clip-ins. I love clip-ins in general. You guys should get you some. But yeah, this is the first video. It is very short because this is the easiest style out of all of them. But I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys tune in for the others and let me know which one is your favorite. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Also, don't forget to smash that notification bell so you do not miss another upload. And also follow me on all my social media accounts, Loaferette, at Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next part.